So how can you record Reels on the iPad? If you're new to the channel, don't hesitate and subscribe because I have a lot of tutorials about the iPad, so I don't want you to miss them. Essentially, the iPad is a great device and many iPads have a great camera built in. So you can open up the camera and at first ensure that you are recording in the portrait orientation instead of the landscape. As you know, the videos which you watch on the Reels, like the Facebook or Instagram Reels, are mostly vertical, so it makes sense to record it that way. Now, the next thing to pay attention to is the quality, like the resolution as well as the frame rate. I would recommend you to record at least 4K 30 FPS. If you do not have it set up like that, you can find the settings of your main iPad and then go to the camera section where the resolution can be easily adjusted. So once you have that, just record your clips, like put them, have some sort of idea in mind or whatever you want to capture. Just, record all of the videos you need, and then we can move over into the editing process. Now, you need a video editor, of course, and by default, there isn't any good video editor on the iPad. So I would recommend you to download the CapCut video editor. It's free to download and use for the most part, because, there are some premium features, but you can start a new project, import your clips into the timeline, and perform all of the edits that you need. So you might cut the videos short, you might reorganize them, add transitions or effects, depending on your preference. This might take a while, so just play around with it. And once you are done, just click on export and you will have a finished video, the finished reel, ready to be uploaded in your gallery. So this is the best way, the easiest method on how you can create stories. I mean, reels and stories even, right? It would work for the story as well, but that's how you can do this. Let me know below in the comments if it did work for you, or if you have any other questions, leave them below. Thanks a lot, and I'll catch you later.